side story. Bells have an interesting thing, is that you have to start the ringing. And in the case of the old schoolhouse, it meant that as a child used to start the ringing, the child had to jump on the rope, pull down, and to start a ring. Well, you know, times, and they're mostly boys, you got a little rambunctious with ringing the bell. And what would happen is they'd ring it so hard it would go like this and stand up. And it wouldn't ring anymore. And I hate to tell you this, but things haven't changed much. That happens so often that they put a ladder on the roof of the school so they go up and free the bell. Because no matter how many times they told the kid, just ring it a little bit. Hey, it's a bell. You get to do it only for a special reason because the teachers told you you're the one. This is your day. And yes, they used that. So there was a ladder on the roof, and actually during first ringing, the bell did hang up. But luckily we don't have to have a ladder to climb to it anymore. It is the original frame, and they're all out of cast iron. Impregnated so that it should last for, hey, as long as people will be alive in Wildomar and care about it. A little side thing is we do have a time capsule connected with this bell. In 2006, a group of people put together 2 time capsules. Children rated it here, and different members of the community added what they thought people might want to see about Wildomar in 50 years, or is it 100 years? I guess there's been 2 stories. The 100-year people say they're, oh, I got somebody in the back saying 50 years. Okay, so 50 years apparently won out because somebody wanted to still be alive. And there'll be some people who are young today and who will be alive. So we're looking forward to people opening it up and seeing, well, what people thought was important and what they wanted to put in the bell.
Are you going to say where it's at?
I will say where it's at. It's up in the top of the tower. But it's security fastened in there, let me tell you.
Otherwise,
so nobody's going to be getting it out until it's officially taken out. We do want people to remember this because what happens to time capsules all the time, people putting them in, they think everyone's going to remember forever. When 50 years comes around, they say to themselves, well, there's a time capsule around here somewhere. and maybe they never find it. That's happening now. Because it's not clear where to do it. So anyway, that sort of concludes my story on the bell. We're going to try and ring the bell right up after school. And then because I'm going to ask the other members of the city council to come out, because it's our first day of independence, we're going to ring it the chimes of freedom.
Jump on the rope. Jump over the ceiling. Come on up, Martha. Bring it on now.
Dude, you gotta use both hands there.
That was a good one. You gotta put the rope over the top.
Okay, thank you everyone. And stay around and talk if you want to.
They say see you at 6 o'clock.
Yep.
What time are you gonna be at? Where are you gonna guys be?
I have to be there at 8:30. I've got the fire truck coming at 9.
8:30.
Should we go or do you want to introduce?
Why is it?
I'm going over there right now. I'm going over there.